The vision is to push ahead the technology. I think we are at day zero or day one of this technology. There is still a lot that needs to be done to bring the technology fruitful to the whole people. Let's say when first the internet came out, browsers were at the early stages. What it was the first Mozilla had very limited functionality. It then took years to evolve and bring all the functionality that they have today. This goes with blockchain. Blockchain is a great idea, is a fantastic decentralized system, and has been accepted very well, mostly because it went to touch the financial aspect of online life. Yet there are many other things that the blockchain allowed to do. But there are some issues to participate, to make it fruitful. So the main vision is to bring this ahead and make it easier to participate, lighter to deploy even in a small cell phone, and to run. Well, it is for everybody. In analogy with the automotive business, we are building another car that does exactly what the previous car were doing at the moment. And so will be whoever is using blockchain to customize for specific kind of needs, specific industry, it would be able to do this with this blockchain. The underneath aspect of it will be that it will be faster to deploy, will be secure, it will be much more adaptable and easy to use. We want to bring the evolution and the growth of this technology ahead a lot, but we decided rather than come out with some incredibly innovative technology immediately, we need to do steps to get there. So we're planning 5 steps until the fully implemented new technology, which is going to have a lot of new functionalities. Some we cannot disclose, some we're going to talk about it. But the first step, which is going to be released in a beta version by the end of 2019, in a more stable version in 2020, it will have the basic functionality that a blockchain has. But if I want to do an analogy with real estate, if you build a house that need to have 5 stories, you're going to create a very strong foundation for it. And we know that we're going to build 5 stories. So even if now we are releasing only the ground story of the house, we are building it with strong foundation to support all the evolution. So there are a lot of insight in the technology that we're implementing today. They may not make sense for what we do now, but are there for the growth of this technology. I aim to bring the project to a level of fungibility where everybody can implement what they wish on top of it. So it will be more on the open source community, on a business that adopt it to create and customize it to their own specifics. We're gonna provide this service as well to follow what people require the blockchain to do.